Some of my favorite meals are bowls. Poke bowls, taco bowls, ice cream sundae in a waffle bowl. If you love bowls as much as I do, you're gonna love this big ol' bulgogi bowl recipe. I grew up in a large family and bowls were common. It was the most efficient way to feed all of us that wasn't a trough. This recipe incorporates some of my favorite things: rice, beef, and pickles. While your ground beef is browning, make a slurry with soy sauce and oyster sauce, sesame oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. This recipe calls for sugar, but go with maple syrup because, you know, Canadian. Add your sauce to the beef and let it reduce. Meanwhile, prepare your rice, spicy kimchi, and sliced cucumbers for crunch. Serve with a side of pickled daikon for some zing, and top with a fried egg for that sweet, luscious, ooey gooey yolk. The bulgogi sauce is the perfect mix of sweet and savory, accentuated by the fiery kimchi and the tart pickles. Every bite is the perfect bite. This meal comes together in under 20 minutes and is the perfect dish for any day of the week. This recipe will definitely be in your weekly rotation. Enjoy!